Good afternoon. Good afternoon, social media socialites. It is, you see the time right here? It's 8:08 on 420. And I want to jump in the market, but I'm stuck. Um, what I mean by that is I see the market is about to run up, but let me show you how I know the market's about to run up, right? So I just in our online course, I was actually just going over price action, right? Being able to read the market. So you see this strong bearish movement. The candles are getting smaller, 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 and this is a engulfing. This is going to be engulfing bullish candle, and it is on the resistance mark. It shows a sign that it's reversing, right? So this is on the day. This is on the day. So that means that I feel like it's about to bounce, right? I feel like it's about to come here and run up. This is on the day. I have 20 hours in this candle. So let's look at the half a day mark. Because I'm not a swing trader. I'm a scalper, which means I get out, I get in, and I get out. If I was just a regular day trader, I would place the trade and come back and look at it tomorrow or next week. That's not what we're doing. We getting in and we getting out. So the longest I trade, hopefully, the longest I trade should ever be, it should be maybe about 30 minutes to an hour. I feel uncomfortable with trades longer than 30 minutes. Um, but so check this out. So this is the 4 hour chart. Now, I was fooling around earlier looking at the trend line. So I was making the trend line. So you see this right here? This is a trend line, right? I was fooling around making a trend line, just watching the market and look, support. I mean, this used to be resistance. There's now become support. See, look at that. Support, 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 support. It played around with it, but it's still over it. It's support. It tested it, but it's support. So I have an hour left on the 4 hour candle. 49 minutes left. So I'm trying to look at price action to figure out where I want to jump in the trade. Ideally, the best place to get into this trade is right here on this red line because that is clearly support. See, it used to be resistance. Look right here, boom, resistance. And so I was playing around with it. So look, let me show you. This is what I was playing around with. Just plotting it. So I was looking at the market. So this is a very, very strong, this is a very strong daily support. So since I saw this was a strong support, like this is actually the highest probability. The highest probability is right here. This right here is the highest probability. I will put $10,000 into the market and not think twice and watch it grow. That's the highest probability. But I don't know if it's going to get there because now look, what has happened is I was looking up here, boom, that's resistance. Look at all of this. Eat, 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 making money, making money. Hit support. Goes back up, boom. Resistance all the way down. Eat, 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 making money, right? So then I wanted to see, boom, it hits up here again, but support, it looks like the support, the resistance has now become the support because look, it hit there, but now it's going higher. It's going higher. It wants to go higher. See, these two are indications that the trend is reversing. Those two inverted hammers. That's an inverted hammer, and that's a morning star. So ideally, the market is about to change. It's about to go from the downwards market to running up. And I don't know. I'm trying to figure out the best position to get into the market. See, look, you can see it a lot better on a smaller time period. So look, if you look at the 5 minute chart, let me zoom this back in some more. Look, if you look at the 5 minute chart, support, 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 support. You see what I'm saying? So support has definitely become resistance. I could draw a trend line for this, but I don't want, I don't know if it's gonna come back down here. So One thing I'm looking at right here is I'm looking at the relative strength index. So that I'm thinking, this is what I'm thinking is about to happen. All right, I'm thinking that this major line, that major line is the key to the trend beginning to reverse. Boom. That's kind of what I see happening. And if that's the case, if it comes down here, then that would be the best place to kind of jump in. But this is just theory because I have nothing to back it up. I have nothing to back it up with. I have nothing to back it up with. I'm just saying that I'm just wanting confirmation, but I know that the market is about to turn and it's about to run up. The market is about to turn and it's about to run up. I just don't know exactly where. So, um, so somebody asked me like, Dean, why don't you ever show yourself losing? This is why I don't show myself losing because I don't make dumb trades. You don't just jump in the market and be like, oh, okay, I want to trade. No, that's not how it works. Somebody was like, well, why don't you show yourself losing? Or what happens when the trade goes in the opposite direction? You're supposed to do all of your homework. You need to look at, see, look, so okay, it looked like it's about to come down and touch. If it comes down and touch, I'm going to do a buy trade because it's showing that it's over, that is oversold, is ready to buy, and then it's hitting on support. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to buy. I'm about to get ready to buy. Boom, it's coming down. It's coming down. I'm about to get ready to buy. Hold on. Wow, look at this. How about one? How many lot sizes do I want to get? Hold on. Oh yeah, look at that strong movement. Very, very strong movement. There we go. No, it's 44 minutes. Let's see. I could be wrong. The highest probability, like I said, is down here. Like on this support line is the highest probability. Oh, you know what? Here goes some more weight. Is it is is that enough for the trend? Let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on, wait. It's coming down and it's hitting on support. So boom. Okay, it's hitting on support. It hit on support. So when I redrew, from there, and then I see right here, okay, and I see right here, okay. I'm seeing that the support line will be right here. Oh, look at that. I'm seeing the support line will be right there if I'm accurate. But I'm just being preemptive. Yeah, look at that. Support, support, even though it was bullish, it came down support. And look at that. Look at that. Very, 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 very strong long wick. Came down long wick. So I'm thinking that this is the place to make the trade. I'm thinking this is the place to wait to trade. So I'm gonna wait for confirmation. I'm gonna wait for confirmation. It's definitely where we want to be at, and then I'm gonna place a couple. I'm gonna place a couple sell trades. I mean buy trades. You buy low, you sell high. Let me see, 2 minutes, 59 seconds. All right, so we're on the resistance, and it's giving me a inverted hammer. I need to see what the confirmation. So this shows the trend could be reversing. This shows that the trend is about to not. Now when I say trend, the immediate small trend is about to reverse. But this, if this is engulfing, if it finishes engulf, nope, it's not finishing as a full engulfing, because there's the wick, which is going to be basically a doji. Let's see, we waiting. Okay, we got a minute and 19 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, and I have to make sure my thing that I need to work on as a trader is I need to stay in the trades a little longer, and I need to have more patience to get the best entry. Like, I see the direction that the market is going. I'm trying to get the best entry so that I can wait for a lot of the retracement and I can get the continuation trade. So I know the trade, the market is about to run up. Boom. There it go too. All right. We got one. All right. See, I'm waiting for confirmation. Waiting for confirmation. Let's see. I feel confident that it's gonna run up off of this part. I wanna. Uh, uh, uh. It can play around with it, but I feel confident that it's going to. It's an inverted hammer. On support, all of these are all signs that the trend is about to reverse. And what I mean, the trend is a small, immediate trend. Like, all of this is under the support line. It's going to run up. I'm going to wait. I'm waiting. I'm going to wait for confirmation. So I see price action is telling me that it is changing. It's running up. Price action is telling me that it's running up. Look at that. Reject. See how it wants to reject right off of there? It's going to reject and go way up there. So what I would do is I would get in, then turn around and get out. I've already placed one trade. I've already placed one trade. So look, because it can easily come all the way down here. And then this, if it does come all the way out here, then I have to hold that trade, but it's by being one position, and then it's going to bounce and go way up here. So it's still going to go in the direction I see that it's going in. My thing is timing. I need to see which trend line, if this is the trend line that's gonna respect, or this trend line that is gonna respect. But that's what I see. That's what I see. So we gotta look at that. Look at that. Confirmation. This is price action saying that it's gonna run up. That it wants to respect this, but we got to play it by ear and see if it doesn't respect this, and then it's gonna go down and touch the daily. This is the daily, the real strong daily trend line, and go up. But I see, this is my dilemma as a trader. My dilemma as a trader is the timing to jump in the market, because I know that the market is going to go in that direction. I know that it's about to reverse, because I like price action. I like to be able to read the market. And in my course, we have a whole. Matter of fact, I'll show you guys right now, because I was working on it not too long ago. Let me show it to you. All right. As a matter of fact, I see this is the price action lesson right here. Hold on. Let me show you. This is actually the price action lesson. We were just going over price action in the online course. And look at the course notes. Introduction to candlestick and price action. You see this right here? We were just going over, and that's what I think is about to happen right now. This is what I feel like is about to happen right now. We were just going over this and the different candlestick patterns, and I feel like that is what's about to happen. that candlestick pattern that was the first one that we saw. This one right here, also the bullish checkmate is what I feel like is kind of what's happening. Like if we get in pricing right here, all of that good profit. So I'm playing around with it and waiting to see, but that's what I think is about to happen. That's what I think is about to happen. And I'm just waiting for, all right, I want to get in now. Waiting for my confirmation. It hit off him. Okay. All right, I got it for 4 positions. Let's see. One, 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 two, three, 4 positions. Let's see now. Yeah, one, two, three. Why is this thing so small? Hold on, let me make this bigger. There we go. There we go. So now I can see. All right, so we're in it for a total of 5 positions. One, two, three, four, and then that fifth position. So right now we're negative $25, and we're going to see what happens. Um, I'm gonna pause it, and we're gonna see what happens. Or maybe I might just let it run and then let it speed up. Maybe I think that's what I might do. I might just let it run and then let it speed up. No, look at it. Beautiful. See, ideally was to get into the market right down here, but I wanted see. This is what I do to myself. This is what I do to myself as a trader, and this is why I have to be patient, and I still have to learn to eat because I'm a scalper, right? I said, man, I see the market about to change. I said that this is support. I should have got into the trade down here, but I needed to have confirmation, which is what's happening right now. And so that's why I beat myself up a little bit, but that's because I always have to tell myself, don't be greedy because bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. You always have to tell yourself, bull make money, bear make money, pigs get slaughtered. By me being greedy, that's me wanting to hog out. I'm okay with it. Let it dance, let it do what it do. But this is confirmation that it's going to run up, and I was looking for the right position. Even if it comes back down, it's gonna go back up. It's very strong support. Look at this, very strong support. Reversals. Look at these 3 reversal candles, and there's no. It's under the moving average, and there's no sign. Like this right here is the resistance. There's no sign of resistance. So worst case, see there we go, just retracement. Worst case scenario, we go up here, but and where will we be in profit? Because like I said, I'm a scalper. I like to get in. I like to get out. Um, I normally put a dollar amount on my trades. We got in for 4 positions. I would normally say that this would be a $500 trade. This is a $500 trade. This is a $500. It actually could be $1,000 trade. It could be $1,000 trade. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is the Tokyo market. It hit right off of that. Hit right off of there. 32 minutes left. Where are we in? M30. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left on 13 minute. 2 minutes left on 50. 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm thinking that this is thinking that this is a $500 trade. Let's see what happens. Mm-hmm. We're up positive $3.79. That's about to go exponentially. Um, what did I say? Let's see. So look, we're positive $8. Now we're positive $22. So initially, when you do place your trades, you're always negative. So if somebody said, "Well, D, why don't you show yourself losing?" Well, what happens is that you are gonna initially, when you first place your trades, you're gonna be in negative. But the idea is to make sure you get the right entry and right placement. So notice we were what 15 minutes in before I placed my trade. So we were 15 minutes in doing just analysis because I knew the trade was going to go in the right direction. But we're 15 minutes in doing analysis, making sure that we don't lose, just confirming. And that's what trading is about. It's not gambling. We do high probability, low risk, high reward trading. All right. Because of this skill, I'm about to make $500 in less than an hour. And I'm not saying this to boast or brag, but that's what trading is. It's not a gamble. It's not a magic trick. It's not like rolling dice. It's not set it or forget it. You guys saw me really do price action live. Like you saw me, you see me doing it. So now it's about to start going up like 100. And like I said, within the hour. I feel very confident because I'm looking at price action. I'm looking at the market. I'm looking at support and resistance. Those are all the things you need to look at before you place your first trade. So it's not like I said before. It's not a set it and forget it. Like for instance, if I wanted to, I could be satisfied with $26 right now. It cost me no money out of my pocket at all. 15 minutes, I just made $40. It's $40 right now. $50. I just made $50 right now. So if I wanted to, I could be satisfied with that. But I'm not because I feel confident that the market is gonna go up some more. But you see what I'm saying? It's not a gamble. It is actual live, real deal strategy trading. It's not get rich quick. If you learn how to trade, that's what it's about, like learning how to trade. It's about learning how to trade. I don't know if y'all hear that dripping in the background. I apologize. It's irritating the black off my back. That AC is acting up. I'm used to it by now, but I don't know if y'all can hear that if y'all can hear that dripping. I hope y'all can't hear it anymore. But I don't know if y'all heard it the first part of the video. So look, we're positive $100. $100. Don't let it run. Positive 124. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this. But you guys get what I'm saying. Mhm. Okay, there we go. You guys see with this? So we're at a positive $152. We're positive 152. All right, the balance on the account is 9,393. This is gonna take us over to the 10,000 mark. Yeah, this is gonna take us over $10,000. It only took us 2 weeks, but I took a break. I took a break actually because I was working on the course, consultations, getting ready for the next chapter. I'm excited about the next chapter of my life. That's what I've been working on. So I think a few days off trading. Yeah. Crossed over. Support becomes resistance. We're at 175. 217. All right, about to hit some resistance. Let's see. Let's look at the bigger picture. Let's see where we at. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. All because of price action. All because of price action. All because of price action. I don't want to be greedy. How many candlesticks? How many candles is this thing gonna go? Let me look and see. Beautiful. Look at that, man. Beautiful. You see how it's looking on the hour? Just like this, which gives me indication that it's gonna go all the way up here. You see what I'm saying? That's 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Each candle right here is an hour. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours of positivity. Goes all the way down right here. Boom. Come up, come back down, boom. Look at this thing. 365. I don't want to be greedy. I said 500, didn't I? I said this was a $500 trade. It could be 1,000. It could be 1,000. It's at 402 right now. It's enough to take us over to be the $10,000 mark for price action. Oh, we're coming up on some resistance. Not really though. We're coming up on a little bit of retracement, but nothing real serious. This thing is about to run. On the 50%, a little bit of retracement, but not much though. I think it's a retracement just so that people can breathe, just so that the market can breathe. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Getting out. All right, this takes us over 356, 365. Let's see. 379, 389, 393. Boom. 425, 430. Ooh, this thing look good. Said it was a $500 trade, didn't I? 450, 449, 453. All right, just breathe. 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 Let's see. Where's the resistance coming in at? It's coming. All right, 475. Now here come resistance. Let's see. Boom. Ooh. Okay. I see resistance. All right. Oh, I want to get out. 16 seconds to figure out do I want to get out or not. 12 seconds. Oh. All right, it turned into a. Yeah, God dang it. I should have got out. I should have got out. So now we're back at 379. I should have got out. I felt it. I saw it. I saw it because the price action was telling me. Price action was telling me. It's okay. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Are we gonna get back to 400? Let me see. Or do we just gonna go ahead and take this 300 win? Should have got out. I saw it coming. I had 12 seconds. I saw it. It's okay though. It's okay. We still up. We still up. We winning. We Gucci. We ain't got no problems. It's just doing some retracement right now. I just wonder how long it's gonna retrace. 18 minutes. Let's see. Just give us a retracement right now. It's going to come back and hit off this moving average. And that's too much of a loss. And I don't want the way I should have. God dang it. All right, I'm going to stop being greedy. We're at 314. All right, let me get out. $300. All right, we made $300. God dang it, man. We're at $9,699. I don't know why I thought that we were at. Yeah, 3 plus 3 is 6. I don't know why I thought that with those $600 it was going to get us to 10,000. See, it's about to come back down and hit that moving average, but it's okay though. We missed out on some money. It's all right though. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. We made $300. Made $300, and what? Because we're scalpers. You see why we scalp? You see what I'm saying? You see why we scalp? Let's see how long that trade took. That trade took us 25 minutes. We just made $300 in 25 minutes. I think I paused the video, so it's not going to be the exact same time. But nevertheless, guys, like I mentioned, we were just talking about this, and this is what I see happening. I can possibly zoom in some more. We were just talking about this in the course. Prime example. This is what I see happening on the support line. If you guys are interested and want to enroll in the course, you can jump in the course and you can catch up and watch everything grow. We're at this trade takes us to $9,699. So we made $300 in 25 minutes because of price action. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. Remember, the only person stopping you from being successful is you. If you don't know it, you can learn it. If you don't yet have a mentor yet, I will be your mentor. If you don't have the character, you can build it. The only person stopping you from being successful is you. Go get them. Success is waiting for you. And if you want to enroll in our FOREX course, if you want to enroll into the FOREX course, it is live. It is up right now. We're live. We're doing good. We kicking and we rocking. Just follow the link below, and then you'll be able to enroll into the FOREX course and catch on. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.
Black Jesus.